Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Please subscribe if you haven't yet already. I am going to just jump into this and I'll put all the information in the description box down below and also on the screen. This is the Beautylish Extra Large Lucky Bag for 2017. I'm just going to jump into it so you get to the products immediately, because you're not here to hear me talk, you're here to look at the products. And then here's the box. The first thing in bubble wrap. Whoa. Okay. This is a Natasha Denona 28 palette. Holy mackerel. Wow. Okay. This is the purple and blue one. And I'll put prices and everything on the screen. I think that the bag was $150 and that the shipping was an extra, I don't know what it was, but the bag's supposed to be worth $300 at least, and I know this is very expensive. Holy mackerel. Next is this. Looks like a nail polish. And it is. It's a Smith & Cult nail polish. It's purple. The color's called Dark Like Me. It's showing a lot browner on the screen than it is there. Next is the By Terry Sun Designer Palette Summer Edition. I don't know what this is. I'm assuming that it's a highlighter. Oh, and it's wrapped in a fancy velvet. That's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. Is that eyeshadow? Maybe that's eyeshadow. No, it's not. That's interesting. It's a bronzer, a blush, and a highlighter. But the layout's really interesting. I want to play with the Natasha Denona palette like right now. Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Lips in, I think it's called Charlotte Darling. Ooh, it's a pretty nude. That's pretty. I like this formula. I've used the red. I've heard people not like this formula, but I have liked this. A Sulwhasoo mask. This is a First Care Activating Mask. I feel a lot of people are getting these. Excited to try that. This is probably a Wayne Goss brush. This is my third year and I've gotten a Wayne Goss brush in each of them. And this is my first year getting the extra large. The other years I've just gotten I think last year was the first year for the regular size. For the extra large size, I mean. So this is it doesn't say what it is, but I think it's like the pink holiday one that they did. It's so soft. These brushes are just the softest. And finally, it looks like this. This is a Jouer highlighting trio. I've seen people open this for the regular size box too. So it's a trio in Skinny Dip, in Ice, and in Rose Gold. Skinny Dip, Rose Gold, and Ice. So, wow, yeah, I'll put the prices of everything up on the screen. I am super excited to dive in, especially into the Natasha Denona palette. I'm just flabbergasted. They did that last year though. I feel like a lot of people got those last year. Thank you so much for watching. There's a lot to do in the world and a lot to do on YouTube, and I really appreciate the time that you took to spend with me today. Please like it if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't yet already, and I hope to see you again very soon. Bye.